EagleJet Angle Flame Butane Torch Lighter. The EagleJet 45 degrees Angle Flame Butane Torch Lighter is a specific model of lighter known for its powerful, windproof jet flame and a unique 45-degree angle head. It's ideal for daily use and outdoor activities such as camping, fishing, hunting, welding, and melting. Do not keep it lit for more than 30 seconds, this can make the lighter last longer. Buy 3-pack of EagleJet Angle Flame Torch Lighter, $13.49. Enjoy a small, pocket-sized torch that can go with you anywhere. These torches have an adjustable flame and include a flip cap for safety. They are also refillable with butane. There is a small window on the bottom so you always know how much fuel you have left. These Eagle Torch Lighter is a must-have for any collector. With its sleek design and windproof, it is perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy their tobacco without worrying about the weather. The lighter comes in an assortment of colors, making it a wonderful addition to any collection. Ignite with confidence. The EagleJet 45 Angle Torch Lighter offers unmatched precision and power, ensuring you get the perfect flame at the perfect angle every single time. Leave your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.